Hello everyone, you are welcome my YouTube channel Science of Electronics and my name is Deepnath. Let's start this video. Today I am going to show you that how to repair a home theater which has a problem that when you turn off the home theater you can see a like buzzing or humming sound, or you can see a just sound on shutdown time. In normal case the home theater does not make or produce any sound when you turn off the home theater, and in case of turn on condition you can see a beat on the home theater subwoofer. When you turn on the home theater it is the actually normal condition, but in this home theater case and you can see a buzzing sound, it is actually abnormal condition, and this condition can easily damage the all op-amp IC because this type problems comes from the loose connection or from a bad BCC plus BCC or minus BCC filter capacitor. So you need to find the bad capacitor. This is the iball MJBT54 True 5.1 home theater. I'm using the Mastic 830L multimeter to check the transformer. At first you need to check the continuity of the primary winding of home theater, because if any short is present in the primary winding of the transformer it can be easily damage your workshop power supply, or it can be easily damage your home power supply. So you need to remember that at first you need to check the primary winding resistance. You can see the home theater is in fully normal condition. It works and it produces the sound, so there was no bad component. Maybe in this home theater this problem comes from the dry soldering. If you not know what is dry soldering, you can search on Google or another being that what is dry soldering, and you can study about what is dry soldering and what is cold soldering. So I need to find out the dry soldering section. Now I'm going to check this home theater to play a music on this home theater. I'm recommending to use Bluetooth device, because if any fault is present on this home theater it can be damaged through the aux cable on your device like mobile. So I'm recommended to use Bluetooth system to check the home theater, and so I'm using the Bluetooth and try to play a music. The home theater produce the sound without any noise or distortion. Then I can say any bad component are not present in the home theater. Now I am going to open the home theater using the Tapari ABS31 screwdriver set. If you not see the this screwdriver video on my YouTube channel, you can see the video on the upper section I button. First of all, I need to disconnect the main module board from this amplifier board, because I need to check where the problem is comes from. You can see the problem is remain constant, so you can see this problem does not comes from the main module section in the front side. So I need to test the main amplifier board, and at first I need to check and find out the dry soldering section. In this circuit board you can see a ring circle appear on the all soldering point. So you can say this board become in fully dry soldered, but you need to check extreme dry solder section. Here you can see a brake pin on this section, and this brake pin happened for the dry soldering. So at first I need to make them soldered by a good soldering bar, or maybe by using a good soldering material. Here you can see it is just disconnect from this ground section. It is actually this big bus is the ground bus, and at first I need to check that it has any connection or not, or any component like capacitor is present on this pin or not. So I am using this multimeter and check the continuity. According to the reading, I can say that this pin is actually a capacitor ground pin. The soldering has successfully completed. Now I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol to clean the excessive flux on this circuit board. Now I'm going to close up the home theater back cover and make them screw to play a song on this home theater, or test this home theater that the problems may remain constant or not. Here you can see there is no bad sound are produced on the turn-off time of this home theater. So the problem has been resolved. Now I'm going to close all screws on this home theater. Now I'm trying to play a music on this home theater to identify that there is any problems are present on or not.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay happy, stay safe. See you next time.